Hello, breakfast time. Breakfast pastry time as well. Breakfast man, pastry man, more pastry man, I guess. More pastry man. We got some hot chocolate on the side here, but muffins. Chocolate chip muffins. You see them chocolate chips? Huge. These are chunky muffins. And the carrots. There's also raisins in there, a couple of raisins, which is fine. And a blah, 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 almond croissant. Let's start with this. It has almonds in it. Ooh. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Nice. Very nice. Just a little bit of sweetness like on the bottom. Otherwise, delicious croissant with the mm, they know their stuff. That's a good start to the day. Although you would need some vitamins, take like some vitamins or something. There's like maybe 1.5 vitamin in here somewhere. So, but I said pastry man, not nutritious man, right? Sometimes you get a pastry. Nice chunky. Can I mention chunky? Because they are chunky. I could throw them at someone and they would be like, ow. And then they'd be like, huh? Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Fresh. Cold, very windy day. Not too cold, but very windy. Like base temperature is okay, and then the wind just unokays it. I gotta go out. Yeah. Mm. That's a nice carrot muffin. Fresh, not too sweet again. Bakery, like proper bakery. Because I don't know where, maybe Walmart or my regular grocery store. The tiny ones, they're good, but the sweetness is different. You can tell. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Chunky. Like a big meal, a regular meal plus two of these might be a little too much for some. I'm gonna be full after this. Like it is. I guess I wasn't that hungry. You've seen me eat more, but very filling, very chunky. Filled with muffin. That's what it is. They're all big chunky bits of chocolate as well. Chocolate chunks. That's not a chocolate chip, right? That's 3 times as big, at least. Mm. I feel full. Chunky muffins did the trick. They did the trick. Pastry man. I'm seriously wondering how many calories were in the muffin because those things were dense and heavy. But I'll go walk it off, do some exercise later on. Pastry man wishes you a good day. Hope you get your favorite pastry somehow. And I'll see you tomorrow.